let me show you how to create a team building plan. Okay, so that we would be able to validate your work and why you got this type of score. Okay. Organization and management outing class. Basic. Now let's go to, let's say, Albay Luzon. Okay. So I want to go to Albay Luzon. So place is Albay, Philippines. Next is destination spot in Albay. Okay. Okay. This looks good. So let's just say we would like to go in the Casagua Church in Daraga Albay. Okay. Okay, Daraga Albay. So that's specific location, and the church is specific. It's not just somewhere there. So place Albay, Luzon, Philippines. Location Casagua Church, located in Daraga Albay. See, that's easy. Just Google. That's why it needs teamwork. Okay, activities that you can do in Casagua. Ayan, magic. It can be more details. Daraga Philippines. Atlas of School, Casagua, Wikipedia. Explore the Casagua ruins. So, experience with reduction in Barangay Busay, Daraga. Okay, it's in Barangay Busay. Copy. Mhm. There you go. Having by air, okay, or by land. Uh-huh. So I will just get this information first. Okay, see, this is the first time I'm doing this. Okay, then how much airfare? Air airfare. Okay, mamaya na yan. Okay, so we're gonna look at that later. No, preferably no matter tourism attraction. Casagua National Museum. There you go. See? Okay. Unformatted text. One. Okay, let's see. Blah, blah, blah. ATV tours. Yan. Yeah. Shopping and dining. Okay. I don't want to shop and dine. Food stalls. Uh-huh. Here's what you need to know. Entrance fee, 35 pesos per person. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Best time to visit. Explore Casag early morning, late afternoon. Early morning, late afternoon. Visit. Okay. And this is time, summer, preferably. April, March, April. Summer. Because that's when there are no clouds. You can see Mayon. Safety precautions. Ito. Siya. Okay. Things to bring. Of course, gadgets, pocket money, 5,000. Okay, basically that's it. Yan. So, ATV tours. Okay, let's look for ATV tours. Tours in what's that? Casagua? Okay, so 20 pesos na. The entrance fee per person. You can also do ATV. There will be a guide on for ATV depending on the price you will get. There you go, 300 pesos. So 300. Mm, this is a skill you need to learn. And yan, 300. So, okay na yan. So 35, 325 yun dati. So let's say 500 na ngayon. Baka luma na yan. Okay? Realistically, 500 yun or 1,000 eh. Okay? So we're done with that. Next is, so stalls and souvenirs. So estimated amount, shopping money is usually ano to eh, 1,500. Mm. Where to eat? Restaurants in So let's see here. Daraga. Oh, yeah, tama siya. Daraga. Nandito. Okay, let's just see here. Places where you can eat. Ito. Okay. Ilawan Cafe. First station. You have to make Daraga, Bicol. Okay, it's right. Ilawan Cafe. One. Budget is 1,000. Okay, where else? So I can stay here since may itlog siya. Maybe breakfast or after pagdating kasi one day, one night lang tayo. Pagdating, arrival from travel. Yan. And then lunch. Let's look for something better. Let's look for lunch. Dito. Balay Kunya. Is that in Legazpi? Daraga, okay? Lunch. Let's say 1,000 again. Para sure, baka mabitin. Sige, light meal. Ay, dito. Red Labuyo Restaurant. Oh, syempre 1,000 laging budget ko dyan. Pag nagtra-travel ako mahirap nang mabitin. This for breakfast, baka free na sa hotel. Okay na yan. So may prices na ako. See? So details yan. Details and actual. See? Yan ang hula. Okay. So best time to visit morning, 1 day, 2 nights. So okay na yung food ko first day and night. Arrival. So first is accommodation. Agwa Ruins. Yan lang siya. It's the flow class. Okay, see? Meron. Red doors. Ito, mura lang yung red doors. Lagi kami nagre-red doors kahit sa Baguio. Okay. Red doors, Legazpi. Since nag-airplane tayo or what? Okay. Siyempre, handwritten ito sa paper, ha? Let's say, one night. One guest. Ako lang, solo. 633. Okay, 636. 925 per night starting September 6. Ang mahal. Pero pag nag-book ka sa Agoda, 636. Sasabihin natin 1,000 na lang para sure. Matutulog lang ako. 1 day, 1 night. Okay? Ay, 2 days, 1 night. Kasi check-in, umaga yan. Overnight, alis. Check out. Yan, 1,000. Okay na? Okay, food. Okay na tayo ng food. Tapos Jollibee. Bago mag-take off ng airplane. So, 1,000 pesos pa rin. Last part is airfare. Cebu Pacific. Halatang sanay na ako mag-travel, no? To Legazpi. Clark, sabihin natin next week, September 30. Legazpi, round trip, October 1. Sige. Select. Clark to Cebu to Daraga. Oy, twice akong sasakay ng aeroplano. May stopover pa ako sa Cebu. Ay, makakalibot pa ako whole day sa Cebu. 7,000. Yan, okay na. Complete na. So, let's get my calculator. Pocket money, 5,000. Plus, siyempre mga pasalubong yan. So, 18,000. 18,000. So, gawin natin accurate. Ayan, we're done. PHP. Details siya, no? Accurate, realist. Yeah. So, that's the way to do it, just do search. The important thing is the logical thinking, organization of thoughts. And those are the things that you've learned through the years when you were in junior high school. And now you're in senior high school, you're going to apply all of those. You see how easy that was? I mean, I know, because I'm used to traveling, so I know the ups and downs, those things. But it's a learning curve for you. Right now, it's a little rough, sketchy, or maybe you had a hard time, you try to guess what to do, but that's fine. But now I showed you how to do it. Airplane ticket, go to airplane websites, go specific search and all those things, and you'll be fine. Okay? There's more to research in life than just in academics. Life is all research. Life is all searching for answers, searching for accurate data, those things. And once you've learned that, then you'll be good in life. Okay, have a nice day, happy weekend, and thank you for having that wonderful long week at home. Bye.